Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about pattern in numbers. So before starting our today's class, children, let's give a quick recap of the things what we have discussed in our previous class. Do you remember what we have discussed? Very good. We have started our second chapter, that is patterns. And we have learned that what is a pattern, then how to make a pattern in shapes. So tell me children, what is a pattern? Repetition of basic shapes, objects, figures, numbers is called pattern. So we have learned how to make a pattern in shapes. Clear? Shapes may be different size, or we can put a different colors. We can create patterns in shapes. Okay, repetition of the shapes. Maybe the small size or big size. It's a repetition of the shapes. We can make pattern with the help of square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Alright. So, dear children, one more thing I want to tell you. We can see patterns everywhere. Examples. We can see pattern in floor tiles. We can see pattern on roof of the buildings. We can see pattern on doors, window grills, the dresses we wear. Right? The beehive, that means in our surroundings we can see patterns everywhere. Clear? So, in our today's class, we will learn about patterns in numbers. Clear? How to make or how to create patterns with the help of numbers. We will learn in our today's class. So let's start the class. So our topic is patterns in numbers. That means pattern can be seen also in numbers. Okay. So what is the number patterns? Let's see. A list of numbers that follow a certain sequence or pattern. What is the number patterns? A list of numbers that follow a certain sequence or pattern. So, here I have written example. Just see everyone. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Here you see, starting with the number 2, if we skip counting 2, we get 4. That is plus 2. Again we skip count 2, we get 6. Then 8. Then 10. Then 12. Then 14 plus 2. Skip counting 2. Okay. Then 60. So, what you can observe here? These patterns are skip counting by 2. Okay, children? Understood? What we have done here? Skip counting by 2. We get the next number. By skip counting 2, we get the next number. Okay. Or we can say that this is called also increasing pattern. Increasing patterns. See here. Numbers are increasing or not? By 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Numbers are increasing. How much? By 2. That's why it is called skip counting by 2, or we can say increasing pattern by 2. Understood? So this is one of the example of number patterns that we call increasing pattern by 2. Now let's take another example where you can see that number patterns can be done anywhere. Okay, we can take another example. Now, here you see, I've taken one number 30, 25, 20, 50, then dash, dash. Now tell me, children, what you can see here. Look at this pattern carefully. What you can observe? On subtracting 5 from 30, we get 25. Okay, minus 5. That means what? From 30, if we minus 5, we get 25. From 25 minus 5, we get 20. From 20 minus 5, we get 50. Now tell me, what number will come next? Tell me. Very good. 15 minus 5, we will get next number, that is 10. Again minus 5 from 10, we get what number? 5. Very good. So, tell me children, the numbers here in this number pattern, numbers are increasing or numbers are decreasing? Good. Numbers are decreasing. Okay. Decreasing by how much? By 5. So, these pattern, we call it decreasing pattern. We call it decreasing pattern. Decreasing pattern by 5. See, we see that in each step, the numbers are reducing or decreasing by 5. 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So whatever numbers are decreasing. So this pattern is called decreasing pattern by 5. Here, I hope you have understood. So now we will do our textbook, page number 21. Example number 5. Complete a given pattern. One is already done. We will do number B and number C. So let's see. So now we will start textbook, page number 21, example number 5. Example 5, number B. A is already done, so we will do number B. So we take it as a A. Just see, number 1 is already done. We will do B and C. I will take it here as a A. What is given? Same, just now what I have done. 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 12, dash. Tell me children, what will come here? Just now I have explained it to you all. Skip counting 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Very good. Then 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Then, now number B. That is in C. 14, 13, 12, dash, 10, dash, 8. Number 1 is, you see, numbers are increasing. Now number B. 14, 13, 12. What you can observe here? Very good. It is a decreasing by how much? -1. Decreasing by 1. 14 minus 1, 13. 13 minus 1, 12. 12 minus 1, what will come here? 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And 9 minus 1, 8. Understood? So, in our textbook, page number 23, question number 3, continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes you're doing. Okay? So, in our next class, we will do workbook chapter 2. So, before winding up our today's session, children, let's give a quick recap of the things which we have discussed in our today's class. So, in our today's class, we have learned about pattern in numbers. How to create patterns in numbers. Clear? So, what we have learned? Increasing pattern, then decreasing pattern. Alright? So, my dear children, all of you please practice the number patterns at home. Clear? So, in our next class, we are going to start our workbook, chapter 2, that is number patterns. Okay? Thank you.